Think with your think with your brain. She's going. She'll go in there. Gotta add some more. Oh, it keeps coming up. In. Up. In. Up. In. Yeah, geez. Well, back to it. You know how it is to take that tinfoil off. I mean, whoa. It's a little much. Now we're going to add a little bit to this heater. Oh, goodness. That's probably good. Holy moly. Great balls of hair. Get that in there. I'll try to recycle it like we did last time. I don't know why I lost so much. Maybe I didn't put so much in. But anyways, it's better to, winterize your nice Hayward for the next season, because that wasn't cheap at all. Anyways, have fun. I'm out of here.